Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off live photos on your iPhone. For example, if you want to see that any photo you taken is setting as a live photo, and if you want to turn off this feature, as it is very important feature in iPhone, but if you do not want to use it and if you want to turn it off, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS on your device. For this, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general and you have to click on software update. In software update, you will find any of the updates which are available. So you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version. And if you want to turn off the live photo, then there are options available in your camera settings. So you have to click on that and you will find that option is available here. You can simply find the live photo auto, and also you can simply turn off. So there is the option available that you want to turn off your live photos or not. But if you want to convert any of your live photo into simple photo, then there is also options available. So hope you have liked this video and get more videos like these. You can subscribe our channel.